Hello, and we're back. We're back. I'm back making videos again. I stopped for a long time. I just, I'm just too late to make video. And also these days now I have exams. I'm doing it while I'm having them. Today I'll make two videos at once, two short videos. This one and the other one. How to make the health system like the HP. Let's just make it HP first. First, you create a for just for organizing. You create a folder here. You make widget array engine. The UI is called a widget. Then you have to go right click here, user interface and widget blueprint. Yes. Now just type in like whatever you want. I'm just gonna type it UI underscore widget. Just made it tidy. Alright. After that, go here. See, this is the entire UI. Go drag a text and do anything you want here. Just drag the text, go to the one. I'm just gonna put this text over here and name it health like this. Put size to context to the exact same size here. Now it says here health bar, right? And usually health are red, so I'm going to change this to red. Why is this? Okay. I thought showed the wrong color, even though I chose the right one. Okay. Now let's what I forgot what it's called. It's progress bar. Click it, drag this, so search here in palette and type in progress bar here and click and drag it here. So click on this. See here the percentage, right? This is how much fills up. Let's set to 0 for now. Uh, scale to whatever you want. I'm gonna scale this one and drag it like this. You know when it goes up like this or goes down like this. Now it's set to 0.5, so you can see this. You can change also the color, obviously. Let's make this red, of course. And see, fill color and opacity means the fill part is the color. Go to style here and go to background. Actually, when you choose color, don't go there. Don't go full color. I just did because it's best to go here. See, fill image and choose the color from here. That's better because if you do this and you put anything inside, the color will be the same as this one. Okay, now let's make see this part, the empty part, right? Let's make the background red but dark like this. So this is the health bar. I usually do this when I make games. Okay, just like this, goes up and down. Let's set this back to 0. Now we have made the health bar. I compile and save. When you play, it won't show up at all. I know that's loud. Okay, let's stop shooting. Um, now okay, now go to the first person character blueprint. See, go back to contact here, content, first person blueprint. Go to blueprint, first person character. You have to choose this one, and then you don't need all of this stuff. At least I don't need it at all. For the story, we just don't need it. Remove the motion control. What still is using? Okay. Do it like this. Do not detach this or you cannot shoot at all. You cannot shoot the gun. Just remove the part I just removed. Leave that here. Delete this also. Because if you're not making a mobile game, delete it. It's only just for mobile games. This part. I just delete here. And this one is just for VR and motion controls. Now that's all. I did every motion control and stuff like this. For now, let's create a variable here. Call it current health. To know that it is the health of the player. Set this to float. That's important. See this red bar? Click it and go to select float. After that, right click, duplicate, and rename it to max health. Like this. Save. Compile. So you can just change anything. Your current health will be 100, and then uh, I chose 100 because the max health was also 100. So it means that it will show full health. If the max health is 100 and the current health also is 100, so it's full health. Max is the maximum amount of health you can get. Now we save this variable, compile and save here, compile and save, do it again. Now we get back to this part. You see this percent progress bar? Go scroll down 2%. This one, progress percent. Click bind and create binding. Move this away. Drag from this part, cast to first person character. No, not projectile, not projectile. Go to character and not character class. Character. That's that's how you do it. And then from object you have to get player, not player, player. Get player character. Yes. Not one. Just say get player character. If one gets the character that's on the level. Okay, here we go. As for now, let's take the variable we just made. The variable that has the numbers in it. Max health, get max, not set, get max, and get current health, all the way at the bottom. After we made this, create float, right click here, float, divide by float here. Now, wait, let me position this. The current health should be down. Do not make it up there because the up variable max health will go up here and the current health is here. Do not mix it up because it's different when you flip those. You will get wrong values in the progress. Now this will show how much health we have. You see nothing, and sorry this loud. Now you have to right click, go back to the first person character, type in begin play. Okay, here. This is event begin play. Click on it. Then create widget. I know it's already created, but we have to create it like place it on the world. And on player, just you don't need to put it, but I'm gonna put the player controller. It specifies exactly which player character it will show on. But you have to make it controller, not character, because controller is the player and character is just the physical thing inside the digital world. Okay, now we named our widget UI underscore widget. I named it specifically like this so we can easily find it just right here. And then drag from return value add to viewport. This just makes it show up and make it not invisible. So okay, compile and save. And now you have this health bar on top. You're not sure if it's actually going down, it's actually working. So first, let's make this. So to tidy up, let's put this create create UI. Just as it's create UI, it's just a comment. Okay, now let's make this. But okay, now we have to make just put plus, type plus, and see NUM plus. So if you press no, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's the wrong way. Just put equal. Keyboard. No, never mind. Just make E keyboard. Just write keyboard E and find the E. This one, the capital one, the capital E. Choose it, and this, and from that drag set current health. Means it will change the current health. Now we'll make E to increase the health and Q to decrease the health. From that, bring up clan. Clan means so it looks the health to the max and minimum. See, like bring the max health here and see here. Click and drag and put it on max. The value from it. Now see, the minimum is always 0. The minimum health means it looks between 0 and 100. So if the health is, if we continue to, if we did it without it, means the health will go over 100 or below 100, like minus 10 health or 110 health, something like this. So let's drag from value. This one, the value is how much, what we put as a number. Put minus float. Yes, here. Drag out the current health, means current health minus like minus 10. Actually, let's put minus 5. Minus 5 health. Now we made the damage health here. Okay. Put this here, name it damage health. Now copy everything, exact same thing. Just type heal. From this, just switch from E to Q. And then remove this and drag out plus. Float plus float. Plus, it will increase the health. I have done Q and E not just because no reason, just like this. No, it's not actually just to show you that it works. Now HTTP, OCD, annoying. It doesn't align. OCD is driving me crazy. If we press E, we'll heal.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm such a stupid idiot. I flipped those the wrong way. See? You remember when I told you that you should put it like this, the max has to be the top, right? I was wrong. It should be the opposite way. That's what happens if this. That does happen when you do this. Okay. Now if you press E, it will decrease, and then if you press Q, it will go up like this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now leave. Now we leave, save, go back, and now we are going to make. Oh yeah, now we are going to make the death thing. So you can make a death animation or something like this. First, go here, type in put tick, event tick. See the first one that shows up, event tick. Drag from this and type in branch. It means in coding language it means if current if the current health is less or equal to 0, if the health your current health is less or equal to 0, then from true it will show. From false it will be opposite way. True is when it actually dies. When the event if if the current health is less than 0, then less or equal to 0 to be exact. Drag out from true. If false is the opposite way. If it's not. Okay, now from true, just I'm gonna print string. This one just to show you like if it works or not. I'm just gonna put you die here. This will not show in the game. This will be not included in the game because it's a debug thing. It's development only. Meaning that if you want to test something out, just put this and it will give you the values. Different. To see if it's what. See? Now put the health up to 0. Now since I didn't do once, before you do this, click drag from here. Always. Do not start from here. Start from here. Put do once. So it does everything just once. Not doing all the time. Because that's not good. Because it's just spamming. And also if it's finished, reset. That's better actually. So and then now I'm decrease the health. Oh yes, I forgot. Because still it's infinite. Because if it does once, then it shows this, and instantly it goes back, so it doesn't mean anything. So if it is okay, and instead, if it's not dead, reset. That's the best. Now if I do this, now it says you died up there, next to the health bar, and I go back here, then go back down. It says you died again, and now that's all. Now here, death. What should I call it? Death events. Like you can drag anything from here. Let me remove this. This one is wrong. Remove this. Okay. Now, and you don't need this part actually. You just remove this and put anything you want, like death animation, sound of death, or something like this. Now let's fix tidy everything. Here we go. Now this. Now let's sum up everything. We made a widget that has a health bar. We changed the colors and then we went to bind, and then we did this calculation because I forgot to say before that it's because that's here just 1 or 0. 1, it's not 100 percentage. The one that I have right now, yes, here the value is in 100. So to convert it, just make this and bind, put divide and current health on top. I was wrong before. Should be current health up and max down. And put like this exactly. like this to return node, so it will get the values again. Now this will decrease, increase, and when it will check every frame if the health is 0 or less, and it will do it only once. And then you just do whatever you want to here. I just put the print string to show you what's correct and what's wrong. Here we just did it before, just a second ago. Q to heal and E to damage yourself. This is basically suicide. Here, that's all.